Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Earned Income Tax Credit Optimization with FreeTaxUSA, full guide step by step clearly. To activate Earned Income Tax Credit Optimization with FreeTaxUSA, start by visiting the FreeTaxUSA website. Create an account or log in if you already have one. Select the option to begin a new tax return. Choose the tax year you are filing for. Proceed to the Personal Information section. Enter your name, address, and social security number. Indicate your filing status, whether single, married, filing jointly, or another classification. Next, enter the information for any dependents you are claiming. Ensure you provide accurate names and social security numbers for each dependent. Move to the Income section of the tax return. Input all sources of income, including wages, interest. FreeTaxUSA will automatically calculate your total income. Now, navigate to the Deductions and Credits section. Locate the Earned Income Tax Credit. FreeTaxUSA will guide you through the qualification requirements. Answer the questions honestly to determine your eligibility for the credit. Make sure to review the income limits and filing requirements. Once you've confirmed your eligibility, FreeTaxUSA will apply the Earned Income Tax Credit to your return. Review the calculations to ensure everything looks correct. If you have any additional deductions, enter them in the respective section. Continue to follow the prompts to complete your tax return. Finally, review your entire tax return for accuracy before submitting. Once satisfied, you can e-file directly through FreeTaxUSA. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.